Welcome to the fifth video of your gateway to exporting to Japan. Today we're going to talk about compliance to US export regulations. So first of all, is it necessary that you apply for a export license for your product? For that, the easiest is to go to the online training room and watch the videos from the US Bureau of Industry and Security, or BIS, and there you can determine if you will need an export license. It's easier said than done to determine, but usually if you are not exporting any product that can be used in any kind of defense or military or nuclear manufacturing, then you usually do not need one. But I strongly recommend to check and follow according compliance regulations to avoid any issues beforehand. So then as a next step, you would identify which agency regulates your product or service, and then also classify your product according to the Commerce Control List to determine if you actually need an export license. So first of all, here's the training room. Here is the CCL Commerce Control List to see if you fall into any of those categories and see if you need a export license. After you have determined this, you can make the application of an export license right here in the SNAP redesign, and you also have training videos and go more into details on this here, but basically you will see if your product or service needs an export license. This is where you will need to do it. This was it, pretty short, just to make you aware that there might be the necessity for an export license for your product. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I'd be more than happy to answer those. And we will talk about your export compliance plan in the next video. So looking forward to that and to your comments.